In this video, we'll show how to create a storefront upsell using a custom image instead of the item image. We'll start by creating a new storefront upsell offer. We'll go ahead and select an item from our item list and then choose the first option, picture with text. We'll go ahead and click Edit Offer Content. Next, we'll view in the hierarchy the item image, which we're going to replace. We'll go down to this item image element, choose Replace, and we're going to just use a standard image element. The standard image element will start out with a placeholder URL. We'll go ahead and hit Edit, and then we're going to use the Choose File option. I'm going to go ahead and upload a new file. Okay, we can see here that the new image has been uploaded to our file system and is now displaying over here.